Kickstart your dream data engineering career with these certifications. Are you ready to kickstart your dream data engineering career? Join me as I take on the challenge of getting certified and show you how to transform your career in just a few months. Let's dive in. When it comes to building a successful data engineering career, certifications can be a total game changer. They showcase your expertise, prove your commitment to potential employers, and help you stay on top of the latest trends in this ever-evolving field. The challenges aspiring data engineers face. Breaking into data engineering can feel overwhelming. Many aspiring professionals face challenges like deciding what skills to focus on. With so much to learn, it's hard to know where to start. Choosing the right certifications, the sheer number of options can leave you scratching your head. Finding time and resources, balancing work, life, and learning isn't easy. Uncertainty about ROI, will this certification actually help me land a job? Sound familiar? Don't worry, you're not alone, and I'm here to guide you through it. The power of certifications. Here's the good news, certifications are one of the best ways to overcome these challenges. They help you build a strong foundation in data engineering concepts, stand out to employers in a competitive job market, boost your confidence and earning potential. And here's why certifications matter even more now. Companies are looking for skilled data engineers who can harness the power of big data to drive business value. That's where certifications come in. Top certifications for aspiring data engineers. Now, let's talk about the top certifications that can help you kickstart your data engineering career. These are the heavy hitters you should focus on. 1. Google Cloud Certified Professional Data Engineer. This highly respected certification shows you can design, build, and manage data processing systems on Google Cloud. Skills covered. Data processing, storage, and retrieval, all the essentials for working in today's data-driven world. 2. AWS Certified Data Analytics Specialty. If you want to specialize in data analytics and machine learning, this AWS certification is your go-to. Skills covered. Designing and implementing analytics solutions, building scalable machine learning models, and optimizing big data workflows. 3. Certified Data Engineer, Data Science Council of America. This certification takes a broad approach, covering everything from data architecture to data governance. Skills covered. Data pipeline design, security, compliance, and governance, making it a solid choice for well-rounded expertise. Personal success story. Let me share a personal success story. After earning my certifications, I landed a job at a top tech company. Not only did I see a significant salary bump, but I also gained the confidence to tackle complex projects and make a real impact. In fact, according to a recent survey, 80% of certified data engineers reported significant increases in salary and job prospects. These certifications open doors you didn't even know existed. To recap, the top certifications for aspiring data engineers are Google Cloud Certified Professional Data Engineer, AWS Certified Data Analytics Specialty, Certified Data Engineer, Data Science Council of America. Here's your next step. Choose the certification that aligns with your career goals, create a study plan, and dedicate time each week to upskill. With focus and consistency, you'll be on your way to a thriving career in data engineering. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video inspired you to take the leap into data engineering. Share your certification journey in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories. If you enjoyed this video, join us for more data science explorations. From uncovering exciting data science careers and marveling at the wonders of data visualization to diving into the world of machine learning, endless possibilities await in the fascinating realm of data science. The journey is just beginning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on data engineering, certifications, and career growth. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on our upcoming data science explorations. See you in the next video.